Welcome back to the channel. Please like and subscribe. This is our unboxing and review of the Philips Sonicare 2100 electric toothbrush. Check this video description for more information on pricing and where to buy. A USB charger and one toothbrush head is included in the box. We like the lightweight and slimline design. The slick matte finish is easy to clean and prevents the buildup of toothpaste residue due to it not having a rubberized finish as most other Sonicare models. The 2100 has a 2-minute timer and a 30-second quad pacer function. These encourage you to brush all your teeth evenly and for the right amount of time. The motor is less powerful than other toothbrushes in the Sonicare line, but it will be sufficient for most as it cleans the teeth really well. The Sonicare 2100 operates with sonic technology. It moves the brush head with up to 31,000 movements per minute, creating microbubbles that support cleaning between teeth. The USB charger is ideal for traveling. It can be used with your phone charger or a power bank. The toothbrush is also compatible with your existing Sonicare toothbrush heads and charger. So what do we think of the Philips Sonicare 2100? Well, we like the slim design. It has a 14-day battery life, and the USB charger makes it very convenient to charge. It does, however, have a less powerful motor compared to the more premium offerings in the Sonicare line. It also lacks a pressure sensor, which might matter to some users. Despite this, we feel it offers excellent value for the price. Check this video description for more information on pricing and where to buy. Please like and subscribe.